We are back with the Conservatory of the Ozarks student, Haley Purrier. Haley, thank you so much for singing for us this morning.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited.
Okay, how long have you been with the Conservatory?
Oh, only like 2 months.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm pretty new.
So you're going to get to see what they can, the kind of quality they have at the Conservatory. What are you doing for us today?
I'm singing You and I by Lady Gaga.
Oh, I can't wait to hear it.
All right.
All right, take it away.
Been a long time since I came around. Been a long time, but I'm back in town. This time I'm not leaving without you. You taste like whiskey when you kiss me. Oh, I'd give anything again to be your baby doll. This time I'm not leaving without you. He said, sit back down where you belong, in the corner of my bar with your high heels on. Sit back down on the couch where we made love the first time, and you said to me, you said, there's something about this place. Something about lonely nights and my lipstick on your face. There's something about my cool Nebraska guy. There's something about, baby, you and I. It's been 2 years since I let you go. Couldn't listen to a joke or rock and roll. And muscle cars drove a truck right through my heart. On my birthday, you sang me a heart of gold with a guitar humming and no clothes. This time I'm not leaving without you. Oh, sit back down where you belong, in the corner of my bar with your high heels on. Sit back down on the couch where we made love the first time, and you said to me, you said, something about this place. Something about lonely nights and my lipstick on your face. There's something about my cool Nebraska guy. Yeah, there's something about, baby, you and I. 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 Oh yeah, I'd rather die without you and I. We got a whole lot of money, but we still pay rent, 'cause you can't buy a house in heaven. There's only 3 men that I'm serving my whole life. That's my daddy in Nebraska and Jesus Christ. There's something about the chase. 6 whole years. I'm a New York woman born to run you down. Still want my lipstick all over your face. Something about just knowing when it's right. So put your drinks up for Nebraska, Nebraska, I love you. You and I, you and I. Oh yeah, I'd rather die without you and I. You and I. Nebraska, I'd rather die without you and I. It's been a long time since I came around. Been a long time, but I'm back in town. And this time I'm not leaving without you.
Great job, Haley.
Very nice.
Oh my gosh,
Very
come on in,
nice.
everybody. Well, first of all, let's start with you. Why did you pick that song?
Musically, Lady Gaga is a huge inspiration to me between her vocals, her ability to write lyrics, and her perseverance throughout her music career. So aside from that, I also feel like I just love singing her songs. Like her songs are fun to sing. Our vocal styles match up well, I think.
I agree.
So,
I was going to say
Yeah,
that
yeah.
too, Tom.
Yeah.
Very similar tones, I think.
Yeah, works very well. Now, how long have you been singing? I know you said you've been at the conservatory for a couple of months,
Yeah.
but that's not a voice that just popped out.
well, my mom would.
Sorry, we're going to do a little dance now. Okay, sorry. I heard music, Tom. I got to dance.
That's right. I thought it was all in my head. Good.
Well, my mom would sing to me when I was a kid, and I would sing along with her. So if you want to be technical, since I was a kid, and I sing in the car, so that counts too. But I did do like national anthem at volleyball games when I was in high school and stuff like that. But I've never like formally had any performances really.
Yeah,
So
but you're used to getting up in front of a crowd then.
I kind of like it.
Yeah.
Okay. See, because that's
You
what
can
you
tell.
need to do
Yeah.
this at Arts Fest, of course. You've got the crowd and they're eyeballing you the whole time. So
Yeah.
this is good.
Good, I'll feed off of it.
Yeah,
There
yeah.
you go. That's the way to do it.
Okay, remind us when Conservatory of the Ozarks will be performing at Arts Fest.
10:45 Sunday morning on the big show wagon stage at the intersection of National and Walnut Street.
And about 12 students, you said?
Yeah, we have an hour, so.
Okay, what are the age ranges again? You said no kids, so all primarily adults?
We have one kid
Oh,
performing at Arts
okay.
Fest. Yeah, Gemma. I took on 2 children last year. One was a grandchild of a current student, and then Gemma, and she's 11, and she'll be singing. The rest will be adults, but yeah.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
Well, if she's any indication, it's going to be a good hour at Arts Fest.
I was impressed with the auditions, I'll be honest.
That's amazing.
So-
Hey, what if somebody wants to take lessons from you? How do they get in touch with you?
They can text the conservatory's number. I am working on getting some group classes together so we can add more students, but we probably can't take any more private students
Okay,
right
then.
now.
Well,
but,
I
yeah.
had to ask.
But get your
Yeah,
name
thank
in the
you.
hat just in case.
Just in case
The
you never
group
know.
class can be an onboarding way to
you
get
go.
engaged. So.
All right.